My name is Amy Reyes. I am the UX Director for SG Digital, which is a subdivision of Scientific Games. My career path has been amazing. I'm so lucky. I've gotten the opportunity to work for large international brands like Cold Stone Creamery back in the day, and Best Western, and American Airlines. And now I'm at Scientific Games. So it's been kind of a wild ride, and I started on the design side of things and then slowly have transitioned over to product design. And now I lead an amazing team of individuals. I'm so excited because this is my third year doing this, and I'm reaching deep into my network of people to help you level up. And that's the theme that I'm going for. We are going to be doing micro workshops with an industry expert, and each night's going to be different. So we've got everything from master Photoshop classes to hand lettering and crushing goals. So there's lots of different topics, and each night's going to be different. And it's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm so excited. I think as we move through our careers as design professionals, it's really easy to become complacent and design just becomes a job, right? Show up, kind of become a sock puppet for somebody's bad idea and rinse, repeat. And you don't want that to be your end goal here. So I want to shake things up. I want you to be able to try new things. I'm a huge fan of the book, Designing Your Life. And one of the concepts in the book talks about prototypes. And I want to allow that space for that in my mentorship program. You're going to get to try new things and try things that maybe you've never done before and see if maybe there's a new skill set that you develop out of this. I want you to walk away with some amazing new skills that you can use in your career, and I want you to shake things up and level up. And we're all gonna level up together, so I'm very excited. The design community in Chicago has been pretty amazing to me. I have so many new friends. I moved here, how long has it been now? 5 years ago. And ever since I started mentoring and being part of this program, I've met amazing friends, and it's just been a welcoming community, and I find that there's always something going on. Chicago's been a great city for that.